How to fix blurry photos, stories, reels on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple, and we will both fix blurry stuff while you are browsing Instagram or while you are trying to upload something on Instagram. So just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. And then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. And on this page right here, scroll down till you find the section that says app and media. From there, click on data usage and media quality. And here on this page, you will be able to fix and solve your problem. The first thing that you need to do is you need to turn off this data saver option, which will allow you to get better qualities and fix the blurry stuff if you are browsing Instagram. So from now on, whenever you see a picture or a reel or story, you will see it in the best quality possible. And the second option is for you need to turn on this upload at highest quality feature, and when doing that, everything you upload to Instagram, so every photo, story or reel, will be uploaded using the highest quality possible. It's that easy and simple. Also, make sure that your internet connection is kind of fast and good so that you don't face any uh, problems related to your internet connection. So that was it for this video. That's how you can fix blurry photos, stories, reels on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.